So you want to get your brother printer connected to Wi-Fi, but you don't want to deal with any cables, right? The good news is that's totally doable, and it's easier than you'd think. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it, and by the end of this video, you'll be printing wirelessly from your computer or phone without any cords getting in the way. And if you require more help, then call the displayed numbers to get real-time expert assistance. Alright, let's get into it. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Start off by pressing the menu button on your printer. Keep pressing down arrow until you see network, then go ahead and press OK. Then wire LAN shows up. Press the down arrow again to select WLAN and then hit OK. Next, choose Setup Wizard and press OK. Your printer will now start searching for nearby Wi-Fi networks, so just give it a moment. Once the list shows up, find your Wi-Fi network, select it and press OK. Now enter your Wi-Fi password. Use the up arrow for letters and down arrow for numbers, pressing OK after each character. Once the full password is typed in, press OK to confirm. When you see the Apply Settings screen, press the up arrow to select it and yes, press OK. And that's it. Your brother printer is now connected to Wi-Fi wirelessly and ready to go. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.